afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today I am gonna take you to go to the park that is, walking about 15 or 20 minutes. Oh, look at the mural art behind me. So I'm living in Yesice district, and actually there are so many mural art in this district. So yeah, now this mural art that is close by my apartment. Very nice. Look at this beautiful mural art. Very nice, isn't it? So behind this, I think that this one is the primary or high school that is in Yesice area, and next to it is the apartment building. So yeah, just like this. And there are some old buildings and some brand new apartment. So yeah, very nice. So look at the sky today, a bit cloudy, and look at this one. Wow, very nice. I just arrived in one beautiful park. If you still remember, the name of this park is Citadel Park. I think that last time when I'm here, when these trees blooming, I think this magnolia tree blooming. But today, I think the time for the rose garden are blooming, just like behind me. Beautiful, isn't it? I really like it. Look at this beautiful rose garden. All is blooming and smells so good. Look at that red rose flowers. Beautiful. And the green surrounding. Amazing. It is very enjoyable, peaceful, and very colorful rose garden. Nice. I really like it here. If you remember, at the beginning I come here where these trees are blooming like a sweet cherries flowers. Beautiful. And now is the rose time. We are in the park Cittadella, the biggest park in Poznan. I keep walking and walking. Look at the green surrounding me. It's very clean and green garden with the sound of the birds. Nice breeze, blue sky. Look at this. People are outside sitting on the garden. Yeah, so now we will go to this place, to this cafe. Let's have something to eat or something to drink. Let's go. Very nice. This beautiful setting up inside the garden, and they have a library as well. So we will have something to eat and here. Look at this inside the restaurant. It's very green concept garden. And look at this one, the ceiling. Very nice. Look at this. So there are so many books collection. Very nice. Look at this. Even they have a banana tree inside. So nice. Very nice place. So when you get inside, there is more into the garden, the green garden concept like this. You see they are busy inside, and I'll order my hot cappuccino and this one cake of the day, brownies. Looks so good. Very nice. Barse polecam. Smacznego. It is a very beautiful garden restaurant inside, and what I can see that the price is also quite affordable. I think that's the same. I mean, like wherever you go, especially when it is a tourist place, they have a kind of the same price. Interesting. Look at this beautiful flower next to me. The sound of the birds, nature, green garden, sitting under the tree. It's beautiful. Even they have a small fountain over there. They have a lemon tree. Look at this. This is a very homey comfortable restaurant. So many families are here. Look at this box of the bill. Very nice. So I paid 34.80 sote and the sweet. So cute. Look at this giraffe, so colorful. Very nice. So that was a very nice, beautiful restaurant called Umberto, and next to it is the children playground like this. Very nice. And next to it is the museum for the plane. I think this is the plane from the war, World War II. So that's actually the tank museum, tank, helicopter, and all is coming from the World War II. In front of me is the obelisk statue, and here is the white rose garden. Remember last time when we are here, the rose is not blooming, but look at now. It's so beautiful. Very nice. Look at this bell. So many historical places here. And look at that place. Very nice. Amazing. Look at those, buddy. The chipmunks. Hello. Wow, look at you, buddy. Very nice. It's beautiful. Smell of the pine trees. And in front of me, I don't know what's actually the meaning. I think that this one is the same as the one in Baltic. Maybe the meaning of the soldier. You see? Yeah. Look at this. Beautiful. I think that's all my video today, guys. Just another day in Poland. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. So what I can say then is very nice, beautiful garden, and next to me is the children playground. Very nice under the green trees. So yeah, it's time to go home. People enjoying the time.